So all we need is one beetroot to start with, and I have peeled the covering of this beetroot and I will now convert it into the juice form. Then the second ingredient we need is glycerin. So I'm going to add full 1 tablespoon of glycerin into the beetroot juice and then mix it well. So this is how the consistency should be, and this is the roll-on bottle of one of my pocket perfumes, and I am going to transfer with the help of a syringe. So this will be very neat and clean process, and as you can see, it gets transferred very nicely. So once you're done transferring all of it into the bottle, cover it very tightly and you're ready to use.
Now wait for the magic. I've just applied it on my cheeks and I am blending it with my fingers. I'm sure you're very excited to make one of yours, and you will definitely love the texture once you make it.
Please like, share, subscribe and share with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching.